Hello, my name is Fred. I'm grade 2C. Today we're explaining life cycle of a butterfly. First, the female butterfly has to lay eggs. Inside the eggs there are caterpillars. The caterpillar hatches the egg. Then it starts eating, and when it stops eating, it eats enough. It will turn into a pupa, then hatching pupa. Then it will turn into adult butterfly. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Basne. I'm grade 2C. Today we will talk about life cycle of butterfly. First, the female has to lay eggs. The eggs has caterpillar inside. The caterpillar will hatch the egg. It will start to eat. When it eats enough food, it will change to pupa. Then the pupa will change to hatching pupa. Then adult butterfly. Thank you.